Good morning, everyone. Today is Friday, May 15th, and today we will meet at 11:30 for our class bingo time. So in your Schoology, there is a blank bingo card and then the directions. So under B, I would like you to pick numbers 1 through 10, and then I 11 through 20, and then so on. So just any numbers you want, just fill it in and you get one free space anywhere you want. Okay, so have that ready for you to use during your bingo time. Okay, also I would like you to look at science today. There's a lot of well, there are 2 videos, and I want you to watch them and then reflect on them. And if you have not planted your seeds, please do so. So remember, you only poke holes for your bigger seeds. And then if you are planting radishes, that means you have to poke tiny little holes. And then everyone is just going to scatter the clover seeds and then just cover it with a little bit of dirt, okay? And then make sure you put it back in the Ziploc baggie. And then you need to take a picture of it. You need to tell me what you planted and write the date on it. And remember, you can do all the different ways of, like, explain everything, notability, or your science notebook, and you'll be drawing and taking pictures. And that's going to be your observation notebook or notes throughout this science kit. There were plants that were all picked up, so great job, you guys. If one plant, Hassan, your plant was left by your doorstep, so hopefully you found it. Also today is FastBridge reading, so I know yesterday the math was a little crazy. It just, across the district, it like stopped. So thank you for being patient. So the kids who didn't take the math, you need to do that, as well as take your reading FastBridge today. And the reading is a little bit special because remember, you want fast tracking because we have to do 2 parts of that reading test. The auto something, I forgot, and then your A reading. So if you do fast tracking, it will give you both tests, and you have to do that. So you obviously can do it over the weekend too, but just make sure that you find a quiet place, and I know that you will do it with honesty and by yourself, okay? So let's meet at 11:30. I'll talk to you soon. Bye. All right, my friends, today you are going to be taking the FastBridge reading test. So remember, our school district has decided that we will have to take the math and the reading. So getting ready for your reading, remember to try to find a quiet place as you can. You will probably need to have ear devices if you're in a room with some other people, but if you're by yourself, you probably don't, but make sure you test the hearing part of it. Do a hard start. That means you hold the home key and your power button down together until you see the white apple, and then once the white apple appears, let go, and then go ahead and start. And remember, you need to close all your apps, and then go ahead and press your FastBridge icon, and you should be led to this website, app.fastbridge.org, and then you're going to log in just like you did yesterday with your password and your ID number. So you are going to name your first name, your first full name. Okay, so remember, like I would, if I were a student, I would use Elizabeth instead of Liz. And then your student ID number, no space. Okay, and then your password is 12345. If you need help logging in, please email me or Google chat me or just drop in with Meet, okay? Obviously, you're not going to do this at 11:30 because we will be on at, I will be on Meet at 11:30 with everyone. So take a break and join us at 11:30 for our Bingo Fun Friday. Now, once you get in there, I forgot, press the screen, not progress monitor, screen. And then you will choose fast track reading. It's like the first big button that comes up, so fast track reading. This is going to allow you to do both tests, the A reading and the auto reading assessments together. And you do need to do both of those and submit both of those in order to be done with Fast Bridge reading. Okay, so please click on fast track reading. All right, you totally can do this. I believe in you. I know you've got this. So remember, once you start, please take your time. This is really going to measure what you have learned and what you have retained since we've left school, and I really want you to take your time. And remember, the best preparation for tomorrow is really doing your best today, and you can totally do this. Remember that I want you to do this by yourself and with full integrity and honesty. Okay, no one should be helping you with this. You can ask somebody to say, what does this word say? But they cannot tell you what that word means. They can read the word to you, but they cannot define it for you. And if you have any questions, remember to chat me or email me or just drop into Google Meet. All right, you've got it. Go for it. Good luck.